Hey, hello. Hello then. Are we going to do this for Grandma Weston? Are you going to talk to Grandma? Hey, you talk to her, you tell her. Tell her. Oh no, we're not crying. We're not going to cry on this one. You've been babbling away. Yeah. Yes. Jack Delaney. Jack Delaney. Well, I'm gonna tickle him. I'm gonna tickle him and pinch his nose. And pinch his nose. Ooh.
It's a chilly night too, just 2 degrees. And that's not going up to
They're saying you love Grandma Weston. Yes. Yes. Let's send her that then. And one little smile. One last smile. Hey, one last smile.